Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to start with HBO Max in 2025. That's right, if you've been thinking about exploring the series, movies, and exclusive content on HBO Max, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below if these tips are helpful. This way, you won't miss out on any more content like this. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1, click the link in the description or the pinned comment to go directly to the HBO Max page. By using that link, you'll be taken to the official site and ready to get started in just a few clicks. Step 2, once you're on the page, enter your email and create a password for your HBO Max account. This will set you up with secure access. Step 3, after entering your info, select your plan. You'll be able to enjoy all that HBO Max has to offer with the plan you choose. And remember, the link to get started is right below in the description and the pinned comment, so you can access it anytime during the video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to stay updated on more tips like this. And if you're ready to start with HBO Max in 2025, go ahead and click the link in the description or pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streaming.